we are going to learn about what is the meaning of need and what are the uses of need. Friends, let me give you an example. I say I need of this pen. What I'm saying means I have some purpose and I have a whiteboard. I need of pen, this marker to write on the board. This pen is my need. It is necessity for me. Friends, it is very simple topic and I really think by the end of this lesson you will be more confident to use it. Let's begin our session. We use the word need when we want to talk about something which is very important or something which is very necessary, which is necessity for us. Let's see how to use it. It is also used in modal verb and ordinary verb as well. I repeat it. It is commonly used as a modal verb in negative sentences and in an interrogative sentences. And it is used as an ordinary verb. You need not speak so loudly means my hearing power is good and I can hear you clearly. You need not speak so loudly. It is not necessary for you to speak so loudly. It is negative sentence and we use the word need as a modal verb. Here the need word is using as a modal verb. You need not speak so loudly. Let's see in interrogative sentence. When need is used first then subject, it is interrogative sentence. Need you go home so soon? We are asking somebody, is it necessary for you to go home so soon? Is it necessary for you to reach at home so soon? So, need you go home so soon? It is also used as ordinary verb. Need can be used as an ordinary verb in these type of sentences. She is thirsty, she needs of water. It is affirmative sentence. Friends, it is affirmative sentence and we use it. It is the sentence here, subject is third person singular number and we use it as she is thirsty, she needs of water. Here need is using as a ordinary verb and we need to add s with the need. You need to see her urgently. You need to see her urgently. In this sentence it is affirmative sentence and you need to see her urgently. Need is working as a ordinary verb. You can also use need with scarcely and hardly. When it is almost unnecessary to point out, which is not necessary, it is unnecessary to point out, we add scarcely, hardly. I need scarcely at that there is water shortage. Means it is almost unnecessary to point out that there is water shortage. I need scarcely add that there is water shortage. It is not necessary for you to tell me that there is water shortage. Friends, we have learnt about the need. Need can be used as a modal verb and in ordinary verb. It is commonly used as a modal verb in negative sentences and in an interrogative sentences. Then in affirmative sentences we can use it ordinary verb as an ordinary verb, and you can also use it with the word scarcely and hardly when it is almost unnecessary to point out something. It brings me to the end of the lesson today. Please, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have some query, please write me on comment box. I will come up with the new lesson. Till then, take care.